What if we told you? Scamming has become a new business model. Many cybercriminals now illegally purchase or rent ready-made scam kits instead of creating them. This growing cybercrime model is called scam as a service. Just like legitimate software subscriptions, scammers can purchase everything they need to launch an attack. They don't have to build fake websites or write malicious code themselves. Instead, they get ready-made phishing pages, fake login portals, and scam templates. Some services even provide fake customer support to help scammers run their campaigns. Others offer stolen accounts, money mule networks, or tools to manage large-scale scams. This has dramatically lowered the barrier to cybercrime. People with little or no technical knowledge can now carry out sophisticated scams. As a result, scam campaigns have become more frequent and more convincing. Businesses, employees, and individuals can all become targets. A fake banking alert, a delivery notification, or a message asking you to verify your account. Many scams begin with something that looks completely genuine. That's why it's important to verify unexpected requests before taking action. Never click suspicious links or share sensitive information without confirming the source. At Strongbox IT, we help organizations strengthen cyber resilience through security awareness and proactive cybersecurity services. Follow us for more cybersecurity insights and practical tips to stay protected.